Oh, big pothole. Okay, let's have some fun. We did a jump. They can smell some sort of pheromone and they attack, man. Oh Jesus. They bloody closed Stelvio Pass sometime in the last hour. That's the Stelvio, red, closed. Bloody hell. Anyway, so change of plans. We're gonna finish this section of Tet, which goes up behind me, up the hill, up to the north of Lake Garda, and then I'll ride back the coast of Garda back to where I'm staying in Salo. And then I think I'll go back home and I'll edit some videos for you. So I got the old jousting stick out again. Get some Instagram reels and whatnot. And also for you guys. She wobbles around a fair old bit, but this mount I have proper fully secure. Like, I've got it locked in position, so I know the mount grip won't fail. The actual mechanism will probably fail before the mount grip fails. So, you know, we're going pretty good. But in saying that, if the road gets super rough, I'm going to take it off. I don't want it bouncing around out there. It's a bit disappointing we don't get to go and do Stelvio, but this is pretty fun anyway. I've had a pretty good day up until now, so we'll carry on. And it's a very quiet road. I haven't seen anyone, not even a cyclist or a walker or anything. I'll still stay vigilant, make sure I'm not going to run into anyone, but yeah, it seems pretty good. It is bitumen though, so oh, big pothole. So I'll just remind you guys, that trail that I was on wasn't the Tet. It was a trail I was trying to get to, because the Tet road was actually closed and I couldn't get through it. So then I chose to do this that road that we were on before, but some farmer had locked the thoroughfare, so we couldn't get through. And I mean, we got out in the end, didn't we? Oh, this is a bit of fun. Better stand up, eh? Still a bit nervous about me jousting stick. I'm probably going to take it off soon. It's a bit too bouncy, isn't it? And I might skewer a rider coming the other direction. This is a bit of fun though. Got to take those a bit easy so my jousting stick doesn't fall off. You guys. This is a fun trail though. Look at that view. Mate, she's loose. Ah! Okay, I think I've used up all my luck with the jousting stick. I'm gonna undo it. Okay, got the mini jousting stick right there. And it's not pointing the right way, but that's okay. Not pointing the right way to be a jousting stick, I mean. Okay, let's have some fun. What am I in? Oh, I knew there was something wrong. Bloody, I'm in dynamic, not enduro, so I wasn't able to spin the rear tyre properly. The traction control kept kicking in. Look at all the traction control. Anyway, There we go. Now we're talking. Don't smack the Insta on the side of a mountain. Woo. Oh yeah, here we go. Now we're cooking. Did it just turn back to bitumen? No, it's still dirt, it's still dirt, it's just hard packed. Woo. Gotta really be careful there. Oi, we're getting skew whiffed. Good fun. Oh. Yes, this is more like it. Oh, don't go over the edge. Whoa! Front tyre washed out a bit. There's like a really loose section in the center of the trail. Getting sketchy. Woo. Do I think I go this way. And then up the hill. We did a jump. Oh yeah. Oi. Big stones. Nice. Come on. It's quite steep, guys. Just so you know. Steep and loose. Goodness. Jump. Not really a jump, I was just bouncing really. Oh my goodness, a cave. Do bears live here? That was a mine, I think, but could be a bear home now. Are there bears in Italy? I'm always nervous about bears anywhere I go, because we don't have them in Australia. We've got drop bears, but they're tiny little critters. Yeah, and a drop bear doesn't hurt Australians, it goes after tourists. They know the difference. They can smell some sort of pheromone from tourists, and they attack, man. But they don't go after Australians, they just know. Leave a comment down below if you ever witnessed a drop bear. Let me know what it is. Oh my, that was a bit wild. Oh, this has been a fun trail. Just remember, even off-road, your front brake is still the primary. That's what's going to slow you down the most. And especially with these newer bikes, you got the ABS still on the front, but it can be switched off on the back. I think the older bikes, if you switch the ABS off, it just switched them all off. But on these newer ones, the front ABS stays on, so you can really jam up your front brake. But yeah, it's still your primary brake. It's the one that's going to slow you down the best, not that rear. The rear's good, it helps you stabilize, but in a pinch, the front is what's going to slow you down. Oh Jesus, that was a bit wild. And that's what's going to wear out my tyres quick smart too. Oh, I need a bit of a break. Good thing there's a viewpoint here. Oh, helipad. Look at that. I'm as big as a helicopter. Oh yeah. Oh, I need a break. I'm knackered. So this has just been a fun, playful section of Tet. I've had a little drinks break. Turn that tyre, get off the helipad, and carry on. Okay. I don't know if it turns back to road soon. Oh, there's a house there, so it might. hope you guys are enjoying this ride as much as I am. Oi. Big rock. Oh. Nice and bermed up, that one. Cool. Whoa, mate, getting the skiddies. Hey, step her out. Ah, we're back to bitumen. Or maybe it's just bitumen for a smidge. For a smidgeman. This is bitchy. Oh, that was fun though. That was good riding. I'm actually quite glad. That's half an hour from where I'm living for the next month, so we'll get good at that road. It's a beautiful area, really cool roads. Wow, what a view. Look at that guy. What a legend. Anyway, while I complete this road, I'll have a jibber jabber to you guys. I've had actually a pretty good day. I was a bit bummed out about the Stelvio being closed and not being able to go there, but I've had some good roads, some good dirt road, bit of fun, good riding, and now instead I'll just go home and I'll start editing all these videos for you early, which is good for you guys. I think I'm gonna basically stay home a week and just edit, really get these videos done, so then I can get out and ride again and go and explore. Anyway guys, while I ride home along Lake Garda, if you liked this video, give us a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, leave your comments, comment anything you want down here, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out guys.